Hey guys, welcome to the top percentile. My name is Harsha. I secured a 99.99 in MBA CET 2020 with an all-India rank 4. Well, आज की वीडियो में I'm going to tell you some types of questions and some types of topics which are very easy to crack, okay? And these are like low-hanging fruits which can definitely attempt and get good scores out of it. ठीक है, सो क्विकली शुरू करते हैं एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ विद QADI सेक्शन. सो QADI सेक्शन में कौन से वो क्वेश्चन टाइप्स है इन विच you can easily score marks and they are not very difficult as well. So number one topic over here is going to be allegations, right? So allegations is one topic जो अगर तुमने मास्टर कर लिया ना तो a lot of different question types will also become easier. For example, averages become easier. For example, ratio proportion becomes easier. And by the way, ratio proportion is the second topic on this list. So allegations, ratio proportions, very easy topics. The types of questions that come in CET as well are very easy and you can definitely attempt and crack them, but you need to practice, right? तुम्हें practice करोगे जब तभी जाके वो easy बनेगा. The third type of questions is going to be profit and loss. So profit and loss, again there is one type of profit and loss जिसमें questions बहुत ज़्यादा simple आ जाते हैं. तो ये तुमने practice कर लिया तो ये भी निकल जाएगा बहुत अच्छे से. And the reason I say this is because profit and loss सबको समझ आता है. You understand if you sell something, तुम्हारा कुछ profit होगा, कुछ loss होगा. तो वो it's very easy to understand profit and loss as a topic and that's why it comes into this bucket. And last is from DI. सिंगल चार्ट क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं जहां पे सिर्फ एक ही चार्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल बार चार्ट रहेगा, एक सिंगल बार चार्ट रहेगा या फिर एक सिंगल लाइन चार्ट रहेगा, एक सिंगल पाई चार्ट रहेगा. द नंबर्स माइट बी डिफिकल्ट ओवर देयर बट इट्स वेरी इजी टू कॉम्प्रीहेंड सच चार्ट्स. एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू कॉम्प्रीहेंड कैलकुलेशन, आई एम श्योर तुम कर लोगे बिकॉज मैंने तुम्हें 5-6 बार पहले भी बताया हुआ है कि कैलकुलेशन प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई एम होपिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग इट राइट नाउ एज वेल. तो ये 4 टॉपिक्स थे. कौन से? एलिगेशंस, रेशियो प्रपोर्शन, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एंड सिंगल चार्ट्स इन DI. अगर ये 4 चीजें तुमने कर ली राइट, देन अराउंड 10-12 क्वेश्चंस तो बहुत इजीली निकल जाएंगे क्योंकि ये 4 टॉपिक से 10-12 क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं ओवरऑल नेट लेवल पे. So that's about quants and QADI. Let's go to LR now. Now LR is very interesting. 75 questions in CET in LR. इसमें से कौन से attempt करें जो काफी ज्यादा simple है. My number one pick over here is going to be syllogisms. Right? I guess you guys know about syllogisms if you have started preparing for CET, but it's a very simple topic. You just have to make circles and then identify कि कौन से circles overlap हो रहे हैं, कौन से circles overlap नहीं हो रहे हैं. So it becomes very easy to solve syllogisms. This is also a topic which you can solve under 1 minute and save time, right? In CET, as we have always mentioned, that marks per minute is very important and this is one topic जहाँ पे आप actually time भी save कर सकते हो and score भी अच्छे से ला सकते हो. So very important to master syllogisms. The next topic in LR is going to be selection criteria. Selection criteria क्या होता है, you ask, right? So there will be a paragraph given to you in which there will be multiple constraints saying if this happens you select this, if this happens you select this person. And maybe 5-10 such constraints will be given and then you will be asked a question which says that this is the situation, who do you select. Again, this is तुम्हें situation दी है, तुम्हें 3-4 constraints जो होंगे वो already दिए रहेंगे. उसके basis पे you just have to use the 5-10 hints which are given and identify the person that you can select for that particular answer. Again, very simple, straightforward type of question. Very important to master this one as well. The third one is going to be direction sense, right? Now, direction sense out of all other topics in LR is among the simpler ones. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा practice की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी because you know what's up, down, left, right, you know what's east, west, north, south, right? इसके साथ तुम्हें सिर्फ numbers attach करने सीखना है. अगर ये सीख लिया, then this topic is also like very simple. The fourth topic is going to be linear arrangement. So CET में there are all different weird kinds of arrangement. You will have linear arrangement, parallel arrangement, you will have circular arrangement. So ये सब squares, rectangular, काफी कुछ हो जाता है. तो उसमें से सबसे simple तो linear arrangement है. अगर CET या तुम्हारे कोई भी mock में linear arrangement का question आता है, make sure you are attempting it first because वो काफी ज़्यादा simple होगा. There is not a second level of complexity which is involved with linear arrangements. So ये 4 topics है from LR which will be very easy for you to crack. Now let's move on to the third part, the third section, which is going to be VARC. So VARC में what can you attempt? VARC में the easiest ones is going to be close test. क्लोज टेस्ट क्या है? इट्स अ फिल इन द ब्लैंक सॉर्ट ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन, जहां पे आपको एक ब्लैंक दिया होगा, यू हैव टू फिट इन द राइट वर्ड इनटू द ब्लैंक एंड ऑप्शंस आर गिवन टू यू. व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड? दिस इज probably the simplest one. This is again a type of question in which you can save a lot of time if you have good grasp over your vocabulary. Very simple to crack close test. The second type of question in VARC is going to be probable starters. इसमें there will be a sentence given to you and you have to identify how do you start that sentence. It's very simple, not very difficult. एक statement आपको दिया हुआ है, उसके पहले क्या लगेगा, 4 options ही, you just have to pick and plug it into that bucket, right? So very simple type of question again. The third one is going to be parajumbles. Now parajumbles in an exam like CAT is probably one of the most difficult type of questions, but in CET, because you are given options also, it becomes very simple. The way I used to approach parajumbles in CET is मैं first alphabet पहले देख लेता था and I used to just eliminate the ones which are not correct. तो ABCD अगर दिया हुआ है और मुझे लग रहा है कि बी से तो पक्का स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, तो मैं वो ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट कर दूंगा. आफ्टर दैट आई विल लुक इनटू द अदर ऑप्शंस एंड सी व्हाट इज द order or the sequence of arrangement, and then basis certain logic around what should go first, what should go next, where are the conjunctions placed, and you can very easily evaluate and maneuver over parajumbles as well. And that used to be my strategy for parajumbles. And last but not the least is going to be sentence connectors. So very similar to probable starters, where you're going to start a sentence. Now this is about how you're connecting two sentences. So it's just about logical sequencing and putting in the right phrase or the right word over there. Very simple type of question. इसका आप थोड़ा practice कर लोगे, maybe solve around 50 questions or so of each of these buckets, और यहाँ पे marks ऐसे आ जाएंगे. Again, these 4 questions would be around 10 marks or so in VARC section. So ये भी आपका काफी अच्छे से solve हो जाएगा. Now finally let's go to the last section, which is the abstract reasoning section. Abstract reasoning section में बहुत अलग अलग type के questions आते हैं, but there are 2 kind of questions which I feel are like very simple to crack. The first one over here is going to be the next in series question, right? So आपको 4, you'll be given 4 boxes, let's say, and you have to identify what the 5th box is. So यहाँ पे you just have to do some pattern identification. Once you have identified the pattern, तो it's very easy to identify the 5th one over here. अभी ये डिफिकल्ट कब हो जाता है? जब ये 5th वन नहीं, वो तुम्हें बोलते हैं कि ये बीच वाला ढूंढो, राइट? सो लेट्स से इफ देयर आर 5 थिंग्स इन लाइन एंड दे आर आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड द 4th वन, राइट? तुम्हें 1st, 2nd, 3rd दिया एंड दे आस्क यू कि भाई बताओ 4th वाला क्या है. ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, बट व्हेन इट्स इन द एंड इट्स वेरी सिंपल. सो दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विच यू कैन नॉट स्किप. ये पक्का अटेम्प्ट करना है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इन AR देयर इज वन मोर टाइप विच इज इफ देन. So you'll be given 2 boxes, let's say, and it says that A is to B, and then there are 4 dots, and then you say C is to what, right? So A is to B. If A is to B, then C is what? So this is also very simple pattern identification. There are not a lot of complications which are involved with this question type. Again, very simple to crack this one as well. So at the end of this video, I've given you 4 topics in cons, 4 topics in LR, 4 topics in VARC, and 2 topics in AR to really master and get score very easily out of them. And these are topics in which you can save up on your minutes as well. So तुम्हारा marks per minute भी, ये metric भी improve हो जाएगा. I really hope that this video has given you some perspective on types of questions which are easy to crack in CET, and that you will practice them and master them to the maximum possible level, right? That was it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. But till then, keep hustling and hope you crack CET this year. Best of luck.